After unveiling it in New York, Samsung quickly brought the Galaxy Note 9 to India, and it has been priced at 67,900 for the 128GB variant. This is same as what the Galaxy S9 Plus sells at. While the specs of these two phones are very similar, you get the S Pen with the Galaxy Note 9, though it also makes it slightly heavier and bulky. In this video, we'll unbox the phone, the India variant, and take a look at its cameras and display. You're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi. Let's begin. So this is the box of Galaxy Note 9, quite cunningly designed. You'll see there's just the S Pen on the front, no Samsung, no Galaxy Note 9 written, but they go on the left side, and on the back you'll see there are specs written, but there's no mention of the Exynos chipset. It has a 4000 mAh battery, comes with earphones tuned by AKG, there's 128GB of storage with 6GB of RAM, and the cameras that are similar to the Galaxy S9. The display information being the Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED panel with 6.4-inch screen size. So let's open the Galaxy Note 9. And the first thing is a box that has a quick start guide both in English and German, and some other information leaflets. Then there is the warranty card, and also on the box is a SIM ejector tool, but there is no back cover you get with the phone. Let's pull out the phone and keep it aside and take a look at the other box contents first. There is a Type-C connector using which you can connect a full-size USB. Then there is a Type-C to micro USB converter which allows you to connect the phone or charge it using a micro USB cable. Then there's a charger which is pretty small, but don't go by its size. It has a 9V 1.67 amperes of output and has adaptive fast charging. Next in the box is USB cable and earphones. Let's pull out the USB cable. It's a Type-C USB cable with good length and quality, and the earphones are from AKG with some extra ear tips. The earphones look nice. They have a braided cable at the bottom part, but it has a remote control with mic and a D-pad with volume controls and angled earbuds. So the Galaxy Note 9 is a pretty hefty smartphone. It has a big screen. It's quite heavy at over 200 grams, but Samsung has not yet adopted the notch design. The bezels at the bottom and the top are quite thin. At the top you'll see it packs a lot of sensors. There's one for iris recognition, one is ambient light and proximity sensors, then there's the camera and the earpiece. The SIM slot goes at the top. At the bottom you see a 3.5mm headphone jack, a Type-C USB port, primary microphone and speakers. The phone has a metal frame. It's a diamond cut aluminum frame, and the back there's Corning Gorilla Glass 5 like the front, and there's a slight design change from the Galaxy Note 8. You'll see the fingerprint scanner has come down below the camera unit, and there are heart rate and other sensors like you'd find on other Galaxy S series or Note series phones. Apart from the weight and size, I don't really have anything against the Note 9. Samsung is nearing perfection when it comes to making a phone that is practical yet no short of a beautiful marvel. The Note 9 feels slightly wider, the fingerprint scanner position is better now and comfortably reachable. The glass back does get fingerprints, but they go away with one wipe. The diamond cut aluminum frame gives a reassuring feel to the otherwise slippery glass phone. To gel with the rest of the phone, the frame is given a shiny coat of paint. The S Pen has a lock mechanism like we saw on the Note 5 for the first time. It's done to prevent the S Pen from falling when it gets loose over time. But yes, it makes pulling out the S Pen quite a task. Samsung has already chosen colors of the S Pen this time. The blue variant comes with a yellow S Pen, and this is the brightest one among all the variants. It definitely doesn't match with the phone, but Samsung probably deliberately chose it to differentiate from the other Note series. This time around the S Pen also has wireless connectivity and has its own battery, which gets charged as soon as you put it back inside the phone. SIM tray on the phone is a hybrid slot and can take 512GB of SD card. I've set up the phone, and here's the usual Samsung UI with an app drawer and drop down menu in white. Everything is same as the Galaxy S9 except the S Pen remote features. So let's take a look at that first. The S Pen on the Galaxy Note 9 can work as a remote. On the home screen, with long press it can launch any app. Inside the app, double and single click on the S Pen can be set to do stuff. The list is limited right now and there is no option to manually add apps. Anyways, press and hold for launching the camera app, single press to click a photo, double press to switch camera, and single press again to take a selfie. In gallery, single press to see next photo, double press to see the previous one. While watching videos, single press to pause, double press for next. These are the few things the S Pen can do. All these features work only when the S Pen is connected to the phone, and once you turn it off, you need to put back the S Pen inside the phone to connect it again. Rest of the S Pen features are the same, like writing memos, writing on screenshots, capturing a portion of the screen and saving it off, translating text on photos, or writing when you don't feel like typing. Other features of the phone are the same. There's intelligent unlock that uses face and iris scanning technologies to unlock the phone. I made a separate video showing why it may be intelligent, but it's not very secure. You can find the link in the description below. Next, many of you would want to know if you can hide the navigation keys and swap them with gestures. You can hide them, but not permanently. And there are no navigation gestures on the Note 9, like you would see on phones like OnePlus 6. Other features like display color control and always on display are well known, and they don't need any explanation. Let's take a look at the display quality now on the device. The HDR10 display on the Note 9 has Quad HD resolution and is marvelous. It is bright and one of the most vivid displays money can buy right now. Viewing angles are also great, and though the screen is huge battery guzzler, the phone packs a 4000 mAh battery this time, which should allow it to run more than the Note 8. Though we'll be able to tell you more in our full review. Now the cameras on the Note 9 are essentially the same as that of the Galaxy S9 Plus. It has very fast autofocus, there is 2x optical zoom, super slow motion recording, 4K recording, optical image stabilization on both units of dual camera, and all of this as a setup delivers amazing results. You can see photos have great sharpness and the color reproduction is quite neat. Check the description below for the camera comparison of the S9 Plus with the Google Pixel 2. Coming to the front camera, it's also the same as the Galaxy Note 8 or the S9 Plus, and it's not good. Overall, compared to the Note 8, there are plenty of upgrades on the Note 9, and even the same price as the 128GB version of the Galaxy S9 Plus. The Note 9 should technically turn out to be a winner for Samsung. Do watch out for a full review coming up soon, and let us know what you think about the new S Pen features and which one would you pick from the two, the S9 Plus or the Note 9. Also, if you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to know about the latest smartphones and other new gadgets. Thank you for watching.